All right, here we are talking about fact families of 9 and 5. So we have our 9 bar and our 5 bar. And we now know, or we can figure out, that we can take our 9 and add to it our 5, and we're able to get a solution of 14. There's 14 total beats if we were to count on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we now know that 9 plus 5 is 14. As part of that fact family, we know that we can switch it around the other way and it won't matter. We can still say 5 plus 9 and get 14. So we're going to go ahead and represent that equation as well. 5, and let's make sure we get it all scooted over so that big 9 bar will fit, plus 9. We know that that still equals 14. Okay, so we have our first two equations written here. Adjust those for us. So now we need to start the other way around. So we have our two addition sentences. Now we have our subtraction sentences. So we can start with the number 14, which we see up here. Yep. Start with our number 14. And what happens if we took away 5? If we took away 5 from our 14, how much would be left? Well, we can pair it up and see that if we take these 5 away, there would only be 9 left. So we can now say 14 minus 5 equals 9. 14 minus 5 equals 9. And we can go the other way around too. So if we start with our 14 and we take away, here's our 14, and we take away our 9, what do we end up with? Well, we end up with 5 left over. So now we can say 14 minus 9 equals 5. And this is our entire fact family. So we have 9 plus 5, 5 plus 9, 14 minus 5, and 14 minus 9. And it's important to remember that in this particular question, it asks which of these is not part of the fact family. Not part of the fact family. So we see our 9 plus 5 is 14. We see our 14 minus 5 is 9. Our 14 minus 9 is 5. But here's a tricky one right here that doesn't look like it belongs. Because we knew that we were working with the number 14, and here we only have 9 minus 5 equals 4. And while that is a true subtraction sentence, it is not part of this fact family.